how to find post settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find post settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and then go down. Here you will find posts. Here, click on it. And now here you can manage who can see your future posts and who can see your stories, and then just manage anything you want and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.